Hello guys, welcome to ARCHI tools. So we will be discussing about how we can make a dynamic block. Dynamic block helps us to make a block interactive. Let's say I want to make a dynamic block of this. I will double click on my block. So here I will get a palette. I will click on parameters. Since I want to stretch this part, I will create a linear parameter on that and apply action. I need to stretch it. So first it will ask the parameter is this, then it will ask the point to associate, this will be my point, and it will be asking my first corner of stretch frame, this will be my corner, and next it will ask the objects. I need not to select this part because I need to stretch this part only, so I will apply a green selection to this part and click on OK. If I test the block, we see that the stretching parameter has been applied to this block. Now what if I want to provide a value set to this stretch? So I will double click on it, select this parameter and press Ctrl 1. By this I will get a property of this distance parameter. I will search for the value set here and provide a list for this type. Right now it is having only one value. I can provide more values like as 4 feet and 6 feet. Press on OK. Now if I test the block, if I click on the stretch, I would find that there are two indicative sources on which this stretch can be applied, because this stretch is according to the list. Now let's provide one more parameter to this block. This time, let's say I want to flip this block on the downside so that I don't need not to rotate it through a lengthy process. So I will click on flip, specify my base point. So I will select my base point here. Since if I select my base point here, this is for the stretching point, so both points will be on the same point, that will cause problem. So I am selecting this point over here and select my other end of the mirror. Now my flip state. Now I will go on the actions, select my flip parameter, select the parameter and select my whole object which I want to flip. Press enter. Now this parameter has been applied, as we can see. If I test the block, by clicking on this point, I can flip my sofa. So these were the basic parameters which you would require the most, and let me know if you want to know more about the parameters which are included over here, like as the point, polar, XY, rotation, alignment, visibility, lookup, base point. So that's all guys for this session. Have a good day.